Mag-walking kami, guys. Ang laki ng aso! Takot ako doon. Ang laki ng bangko doon, guys. So, mag-walking kami dyan. Ay, may palaruan doon. So, guys, pupunta kami dyan sa palaruan. Mag-walking kami. Lahat namin nilakad. May bus. Ang ganda dito. Para lang madaming palaruan, kainan. May beach club. May beach club siya, guys. Maganda dito. Dito ba yung zipline? Hindi na. Iba pa yung zipline. Muntik na ako habulin ng Russia. Muntik na ako habulin ng yung ano. Habulin ng malaking aso. Nasa likod ko na yung asong malaki. Laki-laki. Dalilala. Punta kami dyan sa may palaruan. Daming mga bata dito naglalaro. Tapos may naglalaro si dyan, guys. Yung mga nagbabalibol. Crans Montana. Galing niya magbalibol, oh. Pop! Bo, galing. Galing niya magbalibol, oh. So guys, ayan, nagpa-fog pa siya, nagpa-foggy pa siya. Malamig ngayon ng panahon. Mahaba pang lalakarin namin. Take it. Oo. Ang lamig-lamig ng panahon. Natakpan na yung mountain. There's the mountain. Wala na yung mountain. Natakpan na ng ano. Amog. Other one. Layo pang aming lalakarin. Walking.
Wait. Look at me. Is there a snail in my head?
Snail?
In my head.
Okay, only your hair is snail.
There's hair?
No.
There's snail?
Mommy snail. I don't have snail. A snail only walking in the street. Kapagod. Maakyat sa bundok. Punahin natin sila.
Gracia.
Rakan. Lamig. It's so cold.
Where?
It's so cold. Put the hat because it's so cold.
I'm scared.
Scared for? Huh? Pupaha. To the snail? Don't have snail. Only there, that side. Only. Pagod ako rakan. Dalian mo na ba? Bilisan mo. Ang bagal mo. Nilalamig na ako. It's foggy. Oo nga, hindi na makita yung mountain. Ang lamig niyan, malamig. Rakan, quickly, nilalamig ako. I'm so cold eh. Put the hat this one.
No.
Ori mo. Look, everybody's wearing the hat because it's too cold. And jacket. But me, I'm tired. Ang hirap umakyat. Mahirap umakyat. Si mahirap umakyat. Mahirap
Mahirap.
umakyat
Umakyat.
at maglakad.
Maglagat.
Lakad.
Laka.
Oh, may aso. Aso.
Oh, my aso.
Oh, may aso.
Oh, my aso.
You see the aso?
You see the aso?
Look there.
Look there.
Ginaya mo naman na to.
Where is the aso?
Ada aso, dog.
What's the
Ada aso. Oh, this way. The aso. The aso. Ang haba pala lakarin natin, bilisan mo. Wait. Inihingal ako rakan. Naglalakad kami sa kataas-taasan. So, lilipat tayo sa kabila. Bilisan mo. Bilis. Bilis. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo. Ang kapagod. Hinihingal na ako rakan. Bilisan mo. Oh, ang layo pa ng lalakarin namin guys. Yung bundok ko, puno na ng ano. May mga usok. Yung puti na yan, malamig yan. Lamig. Ang lamig. Oh. Malapit-lapit na ang kalsada. Oh. Malapit na tayo sa taas. Dito na tayo. Doon banda walang walang amog. Maliwalas ang mga pine tree. Kakahingal guys. Ang taas kasi nito. Doon kami nagsimula lumakad hanggang taas. Pagod ka na rakan? Are you tired?
I'm so tired. I'm so sleepy.
You sleepy? I'm not sleepy. Ay, hiningal talaga ako. I want to go home. For what? To sleep? Ah, bilisan mo na ba? Malapit na tayo.
Ria. Hadir.
Lakad pa ulit kami. Malapit na may makarating doon sa aming pupuntahan. Mag-aaral kasi siya ng biking. Ang batuta. Ihatid ko siya sa biking.
Hadir.
Malapit na kami guys sa aming pupuntahan. Ganda ng lugar dito, malamig. Hi, Summer!
Where's the mom?
Where's there?
Where?
Summer's there. So guys, dadaan kami ulit dyan sa my Enter Sports natin. Summer walking by herself. Summer walking by herself.
Yeah.
Why? Ang daming mga bilihan dyan, ng mga sapatos, mga damit. What?
Please, I wanna go home.
Okay.
Can I just check
What?
in the store something?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna buy, I'm just gonna
Oh, go
check.
check yan. Ang ganda dito guys. Oh. Ang ganda ng mga sapatos. Pang hiking. Mga bula. Where are you? Ang ganda dyan guys. Daming mabilihin. Mga pang hiking. Yan yung maganda mga sapatos na gusto ko. Oh. Mga pang hiking. It's nice ah. Ang mahal naman. 200 franc. 189. Ang mahal. 180. Guys, may simbahan din dyan.
Achoo, achoo.
Smell. Achu, achu. Achu, achu, achu. Ang laki ng simbahan dyan, guys. Pupunta ako doon. Diba? Daming mga bilihan dyan, guys. Masarap mag-walking. Pag malamig lang.
I'm so scared.
What? Did
I
you?
wanna go home. Oh, Ma.
What?
I wanna go home.
You wanna go home? I wanna go home. 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 Salon dito. Diyan kami bumibili ng mga chocolate. Maraming chocolate dyan. Tapos dun sa kabila sa Aldi. So, malapit na kami sa aming pupuntahan. We arrive. We arrive.
I wanna go home.
Magbabiking kami dito. Andito na kami, banda. We arrive home. It's here. We arrived. Dito siya mag-aaral
Take
ng...
my hand. Take it.
Dito siya mag-aaral ng biking.
I don't hold my hand.
So guys, thank you for watching to my channel. God bless you all. Bye. So guys, uwi na kami. May sinasabi yung alaga ko. What did you say?
Say bonjour, no?
Bonjour, no? Is that
No, like, it means like, hi, good afternoon.
the
Say
bonjour, no?
No, no, bonjour, no.
Bonjour, no? Kida?
No, bonjour, no.
Bonjour, no?
No, like, bonjour, no. Say,
Bonjour, no?
no, like, bonjour, no.
I don't know that. Bonjour, no? Kida?
No, like, bonjour, no.
Bonjour, no?
No, like, bonjour, oh, no.
Bonjour, no?
No, like, oh, Saverio.
Ano, ay, it's a smoke. It's not fog. It's a smoke. Why like that? There is smoke.
Say bonjour, no.
Bonjour, no? Bonjour, no? So, bonjour. Bonjour, no?
No, like,
Ang ganda ng bakla.
as if
What
now
else?
is for
Bonjour.
me to you. Say it.
Merci beaucoup.
No, like, no, like, oh, me, flowers from me to you. Say it.
Give me flower to you. Like
No.
that?
Okay, then say bonjour, no, comment ça va?
Bonjour, comment ça va? Comment ça va?
No,
Merci
say
beaucoup.
bonjour. No, say merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
No, say
Merci beaucoup.
No, wait, after I say
Ang kulit.
merci beaucoup.
Ah, merci beaucoup.
Dadian.
What it means in merci beaucoup?
It means merci beaucoup means
Merci beaucoup, it means what?
it means thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay. Ang kulit.
Thank you very much.
How about the merci? Merci.
Merci. is
Merci.
Thank you.
Ah, merci. Thank you. What's this? What's this? Merci.
Beaucoup.
Beaucoup.
I said
Merci
very.
beaucoup.
You said
Say that.
let's look at the snail.
Where's the snail now?
Guys, Rami, a lot of snails. One's very small and one's very big. Let's
Where?
go and see the snail now.
Wala namang snail. Nagtago na yung snail. pa pala thank you. May snail pa daw kayo ipapakita sa kanya. Kaso nasaan yung snail? Baby hiding the snail. Wait.
That's a snail and that's the snail. Gabby,
Wait.
can you give me?
Where's the snail?
There.
Ah, there's hiding the snail.
Both of them.
Yeah, because it's this one the snail.
Can you?
Take me the stick. Give me the stick.
The stick?
The stick there.
Where?
The wood. Yeah.
No. Can I do it?
Oh, do it. Remove. It's hiding because it's hot now.
Let me just
Don't touch.
put. No, so it's not hot.
Give to me.
And that's another one there.
Di talaga sa mapakali dun sa snail na yan. You will take to the house?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Ang dami dito pala nagtago, oh. Oh, take to the house. Yalla. We don't have plastic. Baka mamaya may mga ahas pa rito.
No, I
eh.
will hold it with this. I
Nakakatakot.
will hold it with the Liam.
You na take. Only one. Tomorrow again. Sabi hindi siya mapakali sa snail. So thank you. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Oh, bye.
Bye.
See you to the
Grace,
next
Grace,
video.
don't stay here
Why?
because there's a poisonous thing.
Okay. Bye guys. Uwi na kami sa bahay. Kakain na daw si Batuta. Tapos na siya nag-biking. Bye. See bye again.
Bye.
Can I see his name? We'll take to the house. So cute. Okay. Bye guys. God bless you all. Thank you.
Can you hold it?